Hello friends, and welcome to another video. I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Today we are going to install they're gauges for the propane tanks. If you saw my last video, we got this camper. I do not know how much propane is in these tanks, so no tools required. Let's just hook these up and see what's in them. So I got the tanks off. Just simple disconnecting. Like I said, I got two. I think I got these at Amazon for like $25. So then I connect. And that one is already hooked up. So let's see how much gas propane is in here. So they're not completely full, but as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit for you. So it's about halfway. So I bet there's a little bit that needs to be filled on here, and I can do that at the place. But yeah, so let's do this one now. See how easy that was? Like I said, it doesn't need any tools. A little windy today. It's been happening a lot. The wind, I don't know, all over the place. Yesterday we had snow. Friday it was in the 70s. So let's put the tank. Oh, can you see? It might not be. Got that on. So let's see, because maybe I can do that. I don't need to keep these gauges on if I don't want to. But when I'm camping, I will. So let's try this one. And this one is about the same. So let me show you. This one's about the same as that one. And then we have a regulator here. I don't know if that's automatic or what, but I might have to see how that works. I know it goes right into here, but for now I'm gonna have to change this out a little bit so it fits all nice, and with the cover, to put the cover on. So that's it. Well, let me turn the gas off. Don't want that on. Next, we'll have to see about this guy. Right now it doesn't work, but the battery is pretty dead, so I'll have to check out the battery. It won't be long and we will be camping. I can't wait. Try out the new camper. So if you like this video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. And I'll have some more videos coming out real soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.